Welcome back students to the part 4 of today's session. In this module, we will be discussing about cells in series and parallel combination. We know when cells are connected in series, the voltages get added and the current remains the same. When cells are connected in parallel, the voltage remains the same but the currents are different. So let us discuss about the combination of cells in series connection. Let the two cells connected have EMFs E1 and E2 and internal resistances R1 and R2 respectively. Then the effective voltage of the combination of these two cells is given by V is equivalent to E1 plus E2 minus I into R1 plus R2. The effective EMF E equivalent is equivalent to the sum of the individual EMFs E1 plus E2 and the effective resistance R equivalent is equivalent to R1 plus R2, that is the sum of the individual resistances. Now let us discuss about the cells in parallel combination. Cells are said to be connected in parallel when the current is divided among the various cells. Let the three cells be of EMFs E1, E2 and E3 and let their internal resistances be R1, R2 and R3. In parallel combination, considering two cells, we know the voltage across these cells will remain the same. If the voltage is represented by V, then across the first cell, V is equivalent to E1 minus I1 R1, from which we can write I1 is equivalent to E1 minus V by R1. Similarly, for the second cell, I2 is equivalent to E2 minus V by R2. We know the total current will be the sum of the individual currents across the first and second cells. So I is equivalent to I1 plus I2, which is equivalent to E1 minus V by R1 plus E2 minus V by R2. If we rearrange and write, we will get I is equivalent to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 minus V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So, E equivalent can be written as E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2 and R equivalent is equivalent to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. E equivalent by R equivalent is equivalent to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Cancelling the common terms, we get E equivalent by R equivalent is equivalent to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 R2, which can be written as E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2. So for parallel combination of cells, E equivalent by R equivalent is equivalent to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 plus etc. and 1 by R equivalent is equivalent to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus etc. Hope you have understood about the combination of cells. Thank you, dear students.